If images are not loading in Google Chrome, don't worry, because this is usually caused by just a few simple settings, an extension conflict, a corrupted cache, or even a graphics issue. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix Chrome when pictures, thumbnails, and website images refuse to appear properly. These steps are easy to follow, and you can do them even if you are not technical. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing you want to check is image permissions inside Chrome. This is the most common cause, especially if a privacy setting or extension accidentally blocked media content. To do this, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of Chrome and open Settings. From there, click Privacy and Security on the left-hand menu, then select Site Settings. Now scroll down to the Content section and click Images. Here, look under Default Behavior and make sure the option Sites can show images is selected. If Chrome was set to block images, this one change can instantly fix the problem and allow pictures to load again across websites. If images still are not showing, the next step is to isolate a faulty extension using Incognito mode. Some content filters, script blockers, or ad blocking extensions can incorrectly treat images like trackers and stop them from loading. To test this, press Ctrl, Shift, and N on Windows or Command, Shift, and N on Mac to open a new Incognito window. Then go back to the website where the images were failing to load. If the images appear normally in Incognito, that means one of your extensions is causing the issue in your main profile. Sometimes a download gets interrupted, or a file inside the cache becomes corrupted, and Chrome keeps trying to use that broken version instead of loading a fresh one. To clear it, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows, or Command, Shift, and Delete on Mac. In the Time Range menu, choose All Time. Then check the box for cached images and files. You can leave passwords and browsing history unchecked if you want to keep them. After that, click the blue Delete Data button, and then reload the website. In many cases, this alone will refresh the page and bring all the missing images back. Next, you should make sure JavaScript is turned on. Some websites rely on JavaScript to load images, image galleries, sliders, and thumbnails properly. If it is disabled, pages may look broken or partially blank. To check this, go back to Settings, click Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, and then select JavaScript. Under Default Behavior, verify that sites can use JavaScript as active. If JavaScript was blocked, enabling it may immediately fix the missing images problem. If you are still seeing distorted lines, green boxes, black frames, or other visual glitches instead of normal pictures, the issue may be related to hardware acceleration. This happens when your graphics card drivers conflict with Chrome's rendering engine. To test this, open Chrome Settings and click System in the left-hand sidebar. Find the toggle labeled Use Graphics Acceleration when available or Hardware Acceleration and turn it off. Then click Relaunch so Chrome fully restarts with the new setting. After that, revisit the page and see if the images now display correctly. This step is especially useful when the problem looks more like a graphics rendering issue than a simple loading error. So to quickly recap, if images are not loading in Google Chrome, check image permissions, test for extension conflicts in Incognito, clear the cached images and files, make sure JavaScript is enabled, and disable hardware acceleration if you see visual glitches. These fixes solve the majority of Chrome image loading problems and can save you a lot of time. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tech fixes just like this. And if you want, check the next video on the screen for more Chrome troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.